Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a heart-shaped display shelf in Heartopia. This video will use a lot of glitch, so just be warned by that. I'm just going to place the beds like here to mark where the shelf is, like that. And we are going to use walls here, and we're just going to want to glitch them. This is why we need the bed. Okay, it doesn't work the first try. You can try that again. There we go. That's one. And I'm just going to take another one here and do the same thing. All right. Then we're just going to remove the beds. And this is where we are going to place the heart window. Hopefully you guys have it. And we're just gonna, okay, we do need more than two. Sorry, one. So we do have to glitch 3 walls, which is tedious. So if this takes too long, I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, one more. I thought I could just use one, but apparently I have to use all 3 walls to glitch this one window. All right. Then we are going to remove this and these, and then we are going to finally use the window. Hopefully that's in the middle already, and I'm just going to color it pink and green. And you can color it to whatever color you want. Is that right? Okay. All right. Then we're going to want to glitch the windows. I know you probably are sick of that, but it's just how it is, guys, with these videos. And one more. Okay, that's good. Then I'm just going to use these floors, and we're going to add 2. So 1 here, and then 1 over here. I'm just going to close this up as well. I might want to change it later, but it's fine. Then delete that floor, complete. And this is what it looks like once it's done. I am going to decorate, and I'll be right back with the finished results. I just placed some food items, guys. I can't think today, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. This is what it looks like from the side. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Whoops, bye.